Hey guys, how are you doing? So today in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to get a Cookie Run Kingdom modded version for unlimited money. So as you can see, I'm broke, but in the mod menu, guys, we press this button, you can actually add unlimited gems. So I'm going to turn it up all the way, guys. So let's see if it starts increasing. And then I'm going to show you how to get this Cookie Run Kingdom modded version for your device. So let's see if it goes up, guys, and then we're going to be good to go. So hopefully it does start rising, and then I'm going to show you how to download the mod. So no money mode. Yo, there we go. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this 2026 so you can actually get free money. So let's get into the guide, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So this is really not as hard as you think. So just go to the browser and type in this website. It's called tweakmod.com. So now just go to the search bar and type in Cookie Run. So find the game, guys, go ahead, press install. So before it downloads, it's going to be verification, okay? So basically just download 2 of these apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% free from official app store. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's just wait for this to download, as you can see. So you get the Apple and Android logo, so it does work on both. So that's how to get rich in Cookie Run Kingdom, guys. tweakmod.com. So yeah, you just want to make sure you download 2 of the apps, follow the instructions, and you should be good to go. So let's wait for it to load up. And then we're going to be all set, guys. So as you can see, it's going to say like missing files or something. So you just want to download some of these apps. So we got like Travel Town, which says reach level 9. So I just press continue. Takes me to the app store. I got to play it till I'm like level 9. So it's like a game. So yeah, just do a couple of these and then you'll have the Cookie Run Kingdom mod in your phone. So peace out, guys. But yeah, this is super cool. Totally works. So if you're broke on Cookie Run Kingdom, you know what to do, guys. This is how to get Cookie Run Kingdom unlimited crystals. So it's so crazy. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Peace out.